When should you be scared of this market? I'm going to show you when you should be scared of this market, because people are getting scared right now. They're unsure of the market, what's going on. I'm going to show you some simple analysis you can take with you on your journey that can show you when you should seriously be scared of the market. If it's sound interesting, drop the like. Welcome back to Cryptogains. Haven't done analysis videos in a while. Pay attention when I do, right? Because I make it clean, I make it simple, so everybody can understand. Your kid can understand this. What you have here is the Bitcoin price chart on on the 5-day time frame, right here, 5-day time frame. And I'm using these things called the EMA ribbons, right? Exponential ribbons. And they're powerful because in a bull cycle, you can see how when price breaks above, let me just grab, have I got a little pen tool? Let me see if I can grab a pen tool. When price breaks above these ribbons from the bear market, look, we've been down exhausted. When price breaks above, and then you start to see the tangle in these ribbons, which is right here, where this yellow line of the ribbon, you see it? The yellow line of the ribbon tangles and comes back up. They all tangle and it all starts to come back up. That's your bullish sign to show that you're in a bull trend, right? So the yellow, I'll just really zoom in and show you what I'm talking about here, and you're going to understand. Yellow line tangles up, stays above, price action comes above, and it bounces off, it bounces off, it bounces all the way through your bull cycle. It bounces off it. Not once do you see these ribbons tangle again in a bull cycle. Look how the ribbons, the yellows on top. So that's true facts right there. The yellows on top, the reds are underneath, and we're bouncing. Even if we fall 40% dumps, if you see this 40% crash in the market, was 36, whatever it was, maybe longer because there's a piercing, the wick right down here. 36 to 40% dumps, the ribbons never ever tangle. You should be scared and fearful of this market is when these ribbons start to tangle. Furthermore, you should be scared and worried when we've seen price action pierce through and we start to see at least 2 to 3 candles underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your confirmation that the market is weak. You've missed the top. The market's done for. You're in a bear market. Get out. If you're liking it so far, drop the like and give me a subscribe. Stick around for this, because this is what some people don't show you. You've got some influencers and YouTubers that are great with analysis and they show you great things, and I love them. I've been watching them for years as well, but they don't show you the way I show you. Let's take a look at 2021 cycle, and this blue bar up here just represents sort of like the top of the cycle, right? Or sort of like near enough the top of the market, right? But same again, when you're in this rally, when you're in this bull rally, right, we had the C19 just black swan event, capitulated us down, and look, price starts to come back up. The yellow tangles with the other ribbons, the colors, as the yellows on top, all the reds are underneath and the oranges and stuff, and look at the price action, bounces off it, bounces off it. We go flying, a massive wave cycle. The only time you should be flipping scared of this flipping market is if the price is piercing through these lines and it's printing loads of candles underneath. That's when you best be fearful and scared, because that's a telltale sign of the market being weak. Yes, we saw a second rally up, but that was it. It was short-lived, and look at that. Same again, came underneath, and then that was it, done. So this was a sign that the market was kind of going over. Had you seen this rally up and took profits, great, because you looked at this as a sign. You said, actually, we've now seen candles underneath, which we don't see usually. Not in a bull rally, you don't. There's your rally. Look, and it's on the 5-day time frame. Remember that, please. So let's take a look at the market. Again, we have a bear market. Look, we finally break out. The ribbons start to tangle. You see the yellow come up, the yellow stays above. Even when we see price action fall here and we see thingy underneath, look, we see some candles underneath, the ribbons aren't confirming it. Down here, the ribbons didn't confirm it. We're still good. So what did we do? We bounced. Yeah, we slipped under, but the ribbons haven't confirmed it. We bounced. Look at this. Straight up, we bounced. Ribbons are still looking good. Take a look at where we are now. This is where we are. So these ribbons are great. You can catch a good glimpse and insight to what's going on with the market. What's the worst case scenario? Bitcoin could fall down to this yellow line up this on the ribbons, which is 93,000. It could probably pierce right down into it. As low as $77,000, and then there could be a massive buy wick. That I'm not saying this is going to happen, But I'm saying it could be bullish, even if we saw a disgusting crash where Bitcoin just decimates down to $77,000, and then a buy wick comes up. As long as these ribbons don't tangle, that's when it kind of confirms the market's done. So if you go back, take a look. When did it really start to tangle? It started to tangle here, right? This was a sort of like an interesting scenario, because we had a double top, which means after the first top, it fell down. This top here, which I'll draw a vertical line. See this vertical line I've drawn? This is where all the excitement was, Elon Musk, Dogecoin, and, all of that madness. That's where all of the excitement lied and the top of the market lied. So it was lucky, actually, that we had this second ride up, because had we not have had that second ride, this would have been it. This would have been your telltale sign. And actually, all of these candles that you see here should have been here, and it should have just been straight down, but we didn't get that parabolic up and down. It got distributed, Wyckoff distribution. That's what this was here. And yeah, so we were lucky to get the second top. But you want to look for the tangle in the ribbons, because once this yellow starts coming down, that's confirming the bear market as well. See, I want to catch it before the tangle. So this is why I'm saying to you, look for these things like this, because this could be a good telltale sign to take some profits when you start to see candles come underneath. But overall, you want to see the tangle in the ribbon, but at that point it might be too late. So look for some candles underneath. If you want to grab this up, you can do it on TradingView. If you don't know how to use this and you're just happy with clean, simple analysis, watch my channel. I'm gonna leave it here. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna bring more videos. Watch the channel, stick around, because the next one is going to be just as powerful to help you know where you are in the market. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers.